In this video, I'm going to show you how to reset your iPad without losing the data. So if you're having any kind of issue where your iPad's not working, or it's just working differently to when you first purchased the iPad, I'm going to show you how to go in reset your settings. Now the first thing you need to do is head over to the home screen on your iPad and then click on this settings icon to bring up the settings. From the left hand side, click on General, scroll right down to the bottom of this page and select Transfer or Reset iPad. You can then press the reset button, and now you can go and reset any of these individual settings. Now I want to reset all of my settings, so I'm going to press the reset all settings button, and you will need to enter the passcode to your iPad in order to confirm these changes. Now just bear in mind, this won't delete any of your personal data, it's simply going to reset your settings back to their original defaults. Now it's really as simple as that. Let me know in the comments if you found this video helpful.